Environmental Products and Services Limited, EPAS, is a Northern Ireland environmental engineering business with subsidiaries in the USA, China, Australia, Sweden, and branch offices in the UK, Hong Kong, and New Zealand. What does GreaseShield do differently to other grease traps? What makes GreaseShield the best grease trap in the world? EPAS started working on a solution to the problem of FOGs, fats, oils and grease, back in 1998. EPAS has received 18 international awards for its products in the last 7 years. The patented and patent-pending innovative solutions are globally certified. GreaseShield, the only green eco-grease trap in the world, developed for multiple and diverse applications, including FSEs, airports, food courts, delis, hospitals, and canteens. GreaseShield delivers functionality.
Well, the problems were mostly relating to loss of productivity, not being able to cook, get things prepped in time, and regarding blocked drains and sewers. We go through on a weekly basis is roughly 1 ton of cooked chicken fillets a week, 3 to 4 ton of potatoes as well too, so we weren't getting that out, you know. We're pretty hectic regarding constantly having to get people in to service drains and sewers and that sort of thing. Cost-wise to the business, you're talking £300 to £400 a time, so then you're probably talking £800 a month. It's fairly neat and tidy, keeps everything in shape. There's no smells whatsoever. It just does its job. As long as it's empty and kept maintained, it should work fine, you know. Fully recommend it. Definitely would, because it's worked for us from word go. It has done everything that it was meant to do, and we have had no quims or qualms about it. It's very good, you know.
GreaseShield protects drainage systems and harvests renewable energy resources by using waste thermal energy to remove emulsified FOGs before they solidify, additionally removing and dewatering organic waste, eliminating anaerobic foul-smelling conditions, providing a complete solution to the issues of drainage protection both internally and externally, and does not require pumping. GreaseShield is extremely economic, using as little as 15 watts per hour. GreaseShields have low-level inverts to enable 20-grid and double-stacked convection and steam combi ovens to be plumbed in. Bolt-ons enable GreaseShields to handle floor drains and combined flows in multiples of 5 litres per second. Solid organic food wastes are removed from the GreaseShield so as to prevent biological degradation and anaerobic conditions developing. The GreaseShield uses 7 unique solutions for removal of food waste, using one of the unique filtration options: Filter Shield, Pre-Filter, Low-Level Filter, Front-Loading Pre-Filter, Automatic Solids Transfer, AST, and Rotational Filters. The reverse flow configuration provides a compact footprint in which to achieve FOG separation, working in conjunction with multiple cooperating baffles and a magnetic baffle to prevent the discharge of emulsified FOGs. Clean grey effluent is recirculated to assist in the internal cleaning of the GreaseShield and to prevent dairy or floaty wastes sitting and biodegrading in water at a temperature of typically 35 to 40 Celsius. Recirculation and pulsing the FOG removal process enhances FOG removal and enables both dairy wastes and FOGs to be removed. GreaseShield takes advantage of the difference in specific gravities of FOGs and water and the waste thermal energy present in effluent being discharged from kitchens to remove FOGs and saturated fats before solidification. The FOG removal is enhanced by creating a whirlpool effect and recirculating grey effluent. The FOG removal means comprises an oleophilic and hydrophobic roller which attracts FOGs and repels water, working in cooperation with a long-lasting wiper blade having anti-static properties. No maintenance is required for the FOG roller, but if it's touched by hands, then it must be cleaned down with washing up liquid and a clean damp cloth. The FOG roller is wiped by a long-lasting silicone rubber blade with anti-friction properties to prevent static buildup. Other features include FOG sensors, patents applied for. FOGs in the low-level units are detected by sensors. Simplicity of operation removes the need for staff to access the internal of the unit or for GreaseShield units to be pumped. The FOG cartridge, now available in durable polycarbonate or 304 stainless steel, is graduated to enable a record to be maintained of how much FOG is being removed daily. The FOG cartridge and pre-filter or solids cartridge, or filter shield or inline cartridges, should be emptied and washed daily. A spray hose is supplied to assist kitchen staff to carry out daily maintenance. A daily maintenance log is provided with each GreaseShield. All GreaseShields are controlled by a PLC, allowing the units to work 24/7. GreaseShield works while the kitchen is working. The standard operating program calls for the FOG removal means to pulse on for 5 minutes and off for 5 minutes, from 7 a.m. in the morning to 2:30 a.m. the following morning, but can be set to work 24/7. The recirculation feature activates for 10 seconds in every 90 seconds during FOG removal operations. LED lights indicate visually mains power to the GreaseShield unit. FOG removal is indicated by an LED illuminating, and the third LED indicates the recirculation function and transfer of FOGs from the low-level tank or to bunded FOG storage tanks. PDF, AutoCAD and 3D Revit drawings are available to architects, hydraulic engineers, kitchen designers, facilities maintenance staff, multiples, plumbers and catering equipment distributors. Free technical support is available in respect of sizing, selection, and mechanical, electrical and plumbing requirements, further supported by technical and training videos. The award-winning GreaseShield is globally certified in respect of safety-rated performance against a number of international standards and is the world's first eco-grease trap delivering sustainable, cost-effective and functional solutions whilst harvesting a source of renewable energy. The award-winning and globally certified GreaseShield, the best grease trap in the world.